Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It, and today we're going to change the air filter on this 2023 Jeep Gladiator. All right, let's open up the hood. On this car, you just unlatch it from here and over here. If it doesn't unlatch, you might have to push down on the hood a little bit. And then you have a latch over here that you push over to the right. Then you have this prop right here that you're going to take it out from there and put it in this hole, okay? All right, with the hood open, here's your air box and your filter's right in there. So you have to remove 4 screws. They look like that. You could either use a Phillips head screwdriver or a flathead, or you could use an 8mm or a 5/16 socket. There's another one over there, one down there, and one here in front. Let's take those off. All right, guys, you don't have to take them out all the way. As long as you have enough to clear the bottom, you're able to pull it up, and there's your filter right there. Pull the filter out. This one's kind of dirty. See that? So it's pretty simple. Once you get your new one, just pop it back in. Make sure you line up the box with the screws and then tying these guys up, okay? All right, guys, this is the filter you need. All right, that's done. You just got to close the hood, make sure you latch it on, and you're all done. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.